In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Discord username in 2024, whether you're on PC or mobile. It's an exciting feature for anyone looking to refresh their online persona or ensure their username matches their current interests or branding. Let's dive in and I'll guide you through the process step by step. To start, you'll want to navigate to Discord. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and going to the Discord login page. Whether you're a long-time user or just signed up, changing your username can be a neat way to kick things off with a new look. Once you're on the Discord login page, the first thing you're going to do is enter your email. Make sure it's the email associated with your Discord account. It's essential for recovering your account in case you forget your password or run into security issues. So always verify you're using the correct and active email. After entering your email, the next step is to enter your password. Remember, your password is key to keeping your account secure, so never share it with anyone and ensure it's strong and unique. If you've forgotten it, there's always the option to reset it, but for now, type it in carefully and proceed. Now you're ready to click on Login. By doing so, you'll access your Discord homepage, the gateway to all your messages, servers, and settings. It's where the magic happens and where you'll be able to modify your username. Once logged in, look for the Discord home button to ensure you're starting from the right place. Your Discord home is like the dashboard of your account, giving you an overview of all activity and access to various settings and options. Next, you'll want to click on Settings. This can typically be found by clicking on the gear icon located near your username at the bottom left of the screen. The settings menu is where you can adjust everything from your preferences and privacy settings to connections and, of course, your username. After clicking on Settings, navigate to the My Account tab. This is your account hub where you can manage essential information like your email, password, and more interestingly for our purposes today, your username. Here's where the fun begins. You'll see an Edit button next to your username. Clicking this button will allow you to enter a new username of your choice. Keep in mind, your username is part of how people identify you on Discord, so choose something that represents you or your interests. It needs to be unique, so you might have to try a few variations if your first choice is taken. When entering your new username, consider that every username is paired with a 4-digit discriminator separated by a hashtag. This means even if your desired username is in use, it can still be yours with a different set of numbers. Discord usually handles this part automatically. After you've chosen your new username and input it, make sure to save your changes. This will update your account details and voila, you'll have successfully changed your Discord username. Changing your username might feel like a small thing, but it can significantly impact how you're perceived online. Whether you're aiming for something more professional, more casual, or just in the mood for a change, Discord makes it simple to align your username with your current vibes or branding. Remember, while it's easy to change your username, it's also something you should consider carefully. Your username is a big part of your online identity on Discord. It's how friends find you and how you're known across the many servers you might be part of. Plus, while there's no limit on how often you can change your username, constantly changing it might confuse friends or followers. So, there you have it. You now know how to change your Discord username on both PC and mobile devices. Whether you're rebranding, seeking a fresh start, or simply in the mood for something new, changing your username is a quick and easy way to make it happen. Remember to choose a username that reflects you, and don't forget to save your changes. Happy chatting, and I'll see you online.